Hellos. I am trying my iPad. I'm trying iPad pencil and on the notes I'm trying to do a face. So if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Okay. All right. I can't say I'm very happy with that, but it's okay. It's okay. Not as a professional, but I think I'm not bad. What do you think, guys? This is quick, and this is what I know about one of the side faces sketching. Okay, I don't know very well how to do the hair. Maybe something like this, and maybe a little bit here. Okay, thanks for watching.